I'm making Mr.
Alright guys, it ended on me, so I have to do this part now. It'll be probably named part 1, and then I'll put 1-2 or 2-2 for this one. I got the message that he's doing that. The guy Amin gets his fusion in 30 seconds. I think it's like 15 seconds now. Here we go. I wonder who he's gonna get. I'll end the video after that. After I find out who he gets. So I know I can do 30-minute videos. From now on, at least. Oh, come on, I gotta hurry up with this. I think all these might be solos. Oh, no, one tag team, and then the rest are solos. Of course, he has the Bo Dallas. I think we actually... No, we lost. I was gonna say, I think we won, but... Maybe if I had... Maybe that was Buddy Murphy and Curtis Axel, I would have had a chance, but... Why is there... Well, wow. Really? SummerSlams? I'm sure some 17s. And he's probably playing Fusion now. And then I'll end the video after. Did he say who he got? Who'd you get? Maybe a female for him. It could really help us. Oh, look, speaking of Buddy Murphy, from the guy from the Fusion, there we go. One charge, Blake. Oh, yes, it's a title match. I needed that. Alright, it's 3 charges to put on before I end this video. I just wonder who he's gonna get. That's all I want to know. Lince Dorado. Okay. He got Lince Dorado. Some random loot. Yeah, it's Lince Dorado. Yep. Okay, he got somebody decent. It's a male, but I was hoping for him to get a female because the females would help us. Okay, I was right. He's decent. He's decent. I wanted him to get a female because we needed females. God, what am I clicking? He's decent. At least. So after I put these charges on, I'm gonna end the video. It's not, I mean, jeez. I have to say he's. I'm gonna put it on my 3 Goliaths. So now I have 34 charges. And I'm gonna end the video here. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. This is gonna be part 1 of my series of WWE SuperCard Road to Titan tier. I will be uploading another video, part 2 later. And I'll see you guys in that video. Peace out.